Good evening friends, I am Aditya Singh and now I am going to show you how to connect with Zoom meetings. Yes, this is a period of lockdown and coronavirus is going on. Through schools, colleges and offices are closed. From this, teachers, managers of offices, etc. have made up their mind with new Zoom cloud meetings. They can meet and greet also. Now first we will check if our Zoom meeting is installed or not. If it is not installed, then we will go to Play Store. We will write as Zoom. It will show Zoom cloud meetings. We will click on that and we can install. As you can update it also, it will be very better for you. Now if you will install Zoom cloud meetings, it will be very easy for you to connect with Zoom meetings. Now we will go to WhatsApp. My link is through WhatsApp, so I will go through WhatsApp. Now I will search for the link. Where is the link? And here is the link. It is written as Aditya Singh is inviting you to a scheduled Zoom meeting, and here is the link and here is the meeting ID and password. It is used if you want to go with Zoom. You are going with through WhatsApp, so you don't need of this. You are not need of this. So you will click on this. As if you have installed new Zoom meetings new, it will show browser and more. You will click on more and it will show Zoom. You can click on Zoom. Now it has come this page, Zoom. Now it has showing preparing meeting. After this, it will show connecting. If you are in on time, you will as speed connected to the Zoom meetings. Now it is seen here, call via device audio. You will click on that so you can listen the voice of others. If you want to tell something, you will on your voice. If you want to show your face to all of us, then you can start video. If you want to share anything to the host, then you can share photos, albums. It is not need of that. You can also see participants. As I am the host and no one is the participant, so this is not a cloud meeting. So as you can chat with others privately also, as you will privately also chat with others. Thank you friends. This moral is to how to connect with Zoom meetings. Thank you friends. If you like my video, then subscribe it. Please ring the bell icon and also please share it, and also millions of likes. Please.